Actor Anupam Kher, who has opposed those returning awards, led what he calls a tolerance march to Rashtrapati Bhavan a short while ago. The actor claims the intolerance debate is an attempt to malign the image of the country and is intended to target the Narendra Modi government. Anupam Kher also met President Pranab Mukherjee.
I am not passing a judgment on anybody. We are not calling anybody unpatriotic. But I think it's very important that we should solve our problems within ourselves, जैसा कि घरों में हम करते हैं. हमारे देश में प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, इतना डाइवर्स देश है, लेकिन ऐसा संदेश बाहर के देशों में भेजना अच्छा नहीं है कि हमारा जो देश है वो बिल्कुल ही टॉलरेंट नहीं है. यही बात हमने उनसे कही. और जहां तक अवार्ड वापसी की बात है, माननीय प्रेसिडेंट महोदय साहब ने कहा कि जो अवार्ड है वो कोई गवर्नमेंट नहीं देती है बल्कि देश की जनता देती है. इतना ही उन्होंने बोला. और दूसरा उन्होंने कहा कि हमारा जो संविधान है वो एक बिल्कुल सेक्युलर फैब्रिक पर लिखा गया है और इस बात की हमें इज्जत करनी चाहिए.
And at that very tolerance rally led by actor Anupam Kher, who says that India is not intolerant, the media, including NDTV's reporter, were geared out, harassed and abused.
We've been heckled just a short while ago. I was hit out by a bunch of people, called names. They were shouting and screaming. It was only when other media people also arrived at the sport and started trying to, finish the debate about who should do what and, being called all sorts of things, that it actually became a slightly better. But it went on for a good 10-15 minutes, this whole back and forth between, accusing the media of being biased, of being politically motivated and so on. And we unfortunately have very little footage of that. But that's what is happening at the moment. But also, of course, this march, at the moment, news-wise, Anupam Kher has gone in to meet the president.
Political manipulation. I mean, come on, you tell me one thing. Salman Rushdie was banned. Salman Rushdie was banned.
Actually, what is happening? The government is asking them from day one, please come, talk to us. But they are not giving. They are not coming to the government. They are not coming to talk to them.
Is it okay?
अपना जो ये जो है अपना जमीनी सतर कांग्रेस खो चुकी है. ये सारी
तो आप कह रहे हैं जो सारे राइटर्स डिबेट कर रहे हैं, प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं,
राजनीति हो रही है. जो 60 साल में ये बताइए हिंदुस्तान में क्या जनता के लिए क्या किया. फुल ऑफ मेजोरिटी ऑफ कांग्रेस. तो इन्होंने कभी क्या कानून.
I am a Kashmiri Pandit. 1990 I have come out of Kashmir. Has anybody of them raised their voice that time and just
so people here believe that the protest last week by writers, filmmakers returning their awards is politically motivated, saying that it is because of the Congress losing power that this has happened. Angry, of course, even with the media, suggesting that we are also part of that politically motivated campaign against certain sections, especially the government. So, a very heated debate here at Janpat near the National Museum with camperson Sanjay Kaushik, Bhairavi Singh, NDTV. What is it that today you are supporting? What part of the protest are you supporting, and why is this March for India happening?
See, basically, the March of India is, to say from last 15 days, that is the whole narrative which is going on, that India is intolerant, and the perception which is going on. So, we just felt it, people from different walk of life, poets, singer, actors, directors, from South, from Bengal, everybody has been associated with it, and we just felt it, there is a wrong narrative which is going to the people and abroad. And that's why we thought we are all also award winners and we should give our perspective. The returning the award is absolutely disrespectful.
So many would say that now there are two lines of thought within the artist community. One that supports, is supporting this, and one that is supporting returning of the awards because they think there is the intolerance is increasing. What do you think? Is there a divide?
No, see, there are a lot of people associated with the award Wafsi. A lot of people are the same people in the industry.
Peers.
Yeah, my colleague, my friends. Who are, they're very dear friends also, some of mine. In fact, they wished me all the best in the morning.
Yeah.
So they're the same people who basically protested in 2014 that Mr. Modi should not become the PM. And they're the same people now coming back again. So in the timing is questionable. Okay, why this tirade, the whole euphoria is created now? Why not earlier?
What would you say to Shah Rukh Khan, who said that there is a lot of intolerance and that a lot of people are telling him to go to Pakistan? You are a friend.
Absolutely
You are a
wrong.
friend. What would you say?
Yeah, absolutely wrong. I think people are telling to one thing. Shah Rukh Khan doesn't have to prove his patriotism. We all know he's a.
Is that not part of intolerance to ask him to go to Pakistan?
I mean, absolutely. There has been. We condemned it. We definitely condemned it about it, and people who has posted tweet and they have removed it also. That's what I saw on the news channel also. So these kind of things should not be spoken about it because Shah Rukh Khan is a big star and he's a big personality for our country.